Blocking someone on Venmo is a straightforward process that can help you manage your interactions on the platform. Follow these steps to block a user quickly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Find the user. Use the search function or navigate to your friends list to locate the user you want to block. You can also find them through your transaction history. Step 3. Access user profile. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Block the user. On the user's profile page, look for the option to block them. This is usually found in the Settings or Options menu. Confirm that you want to block the user when prompted. Step 5. Verify block status. After blocking, you can verify that the user is blocked by attempting to search for their profile again. You should no longer see their account or be able to interact with them. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Venmo and maintain your privacy on the platform.